A whole grain is a grain that contains all of its bran, germ, and endosperm. So that outer bran portion is where you'll find a lot of the fiber, as well as some B vitamins and other essential nutrients. The germ is the innermost part of the kernel, and that's where you'll see a lot of the healthy fats. And then the endosperm is the starchy part. So most of the grain kernel's nutrients and flavor are in the bran and germ, which are the parts that are routinely stripped out when a grain is refined. And whole grains can be processed in different ways. They can be ground into flour. So that can still count as a whole grain as long as it still has all of its original components. So whole wheat flour would be a whole grain, but white flour or all-purpose flour would not, because they're sifting out the bran and the germ.